Hey, what's up? This is Gizmo, and today we're going to give you a review for a brand new app. This is a really cool app for mobile publishers, online bloggers, all types of things like that. It's called Google Currents. Basically, if you're familiar with Flipboard, it's an app that congregates news and puts things together in a nice visual fashion. So we're going to give you a quick look at what you could do with Currents as a mobile publisher, or if you're just a reader. So this is the main screen right now. These are my library. It's online magazines, blogs, Tumblr posts, YouTube channels, anything with the RSS feed. You can even do stuff with HTML. There's a whole bunch of things you can do. As you can see, it's just basically a news article thing. It's very streamlined, very simple. You can flip through these top headlines right now. Things load, pop up. It works on any size, iPad and Android devices. Tablets, all that good stuff. As you can see here, it just instantly flipped right over and it fits to the size. You have what's trending, which are certain articles that are very popular right now in my library settings. It comes with a few things already. We can show you what the Daily Beast looks like. This is their website. They have different sections. You could go through and read articles. Articles are separated in small little pages, so you can kind of read comfortably without having to zoom in. You can go here, just kind of like a right click. You can check out here and have like a highlights table of contents. Everything is in this article slash edition, they call it. So we can go back here and check out another thing. This is 500. This is a photo blog. Basically, it's set up with a simple way to look at pictures. Again, it flips right over to what you want to see. Right here is add more. You can add all types of featured blogs and web magazines that are free. You want to tap up here to library, and this gives you a whole different type of genres. There's the sports right here. So let's say we want to add this to our library. So it says in library. Basically, we're going to hit done, and it'll eventually pop up here after it's done syncing. You could tap the sync button and have all the articles update. You could read these offline. As soon as it's done syncing, everything is done right offline. We're going to show you real quick just how it works. We're going to put in airplane mode, which turns off the Wi-Fi and the 3G. And we're going to go back into here. So we checked out 500. All the images, we haven't even looked at these images yet, and they're still up to date. Here's the Huffington Post. Let's read this article. Pearl Harbor. Let's see, this magazine is really great. It's got a nice big header on top. Recipes, 2 different sections. Videos, bunch of recipes. Again, everything is working right offline right now. I didn't even have to open this file to view it. It syncs everything, so wherever you go, you can take it and read it. We turned our signals back on, and the Atlantic should sync with the tap button here, syncing. We'll see all the blogs eventually fly through. Sometimes it'll go fast, sometimes it'll go slow. Obviously, if it's going slower, it's downloading data. And there we go. Here's the Atlantic. We get the Atlantic looking like this. They have a nice header on top. You can swipe over, it looks beautiful. Really nice, simple to read. You got a right click section. Gives you a nice shadow here, casting over. Really well thought out and well made. So now if you're a mobile publisher, a blogger, a Tumblr user, Facebook, YouTube creator, anything you want to do that is online and active can be done on here. You can pretty much do this for free. You do this through your web browser. I'm going to show you my YouTube channel, which you're watching right now. I managed to get a header going. If you don't know code, then it becomes a little difficult. As you can see here, I have the template set up as video. My most recent video right here is enlarged. Swipe over. I can go through all pages of new content. So once you're watching a video that you've made, If you're done watching it, just tap done and it takes you right back to where you were. It doesn't keep open the YouTube app. It just takes you right back to what you were doing. So we're gonna go back home. We're gonna check out a Tumblr blog. I set this up through my RSS feed. Still working on the theme design, but this is pretty much a basic template. You could change the background. This is a little header area. You can make it bigger or smaller. This one I just have like that, and this is basically the default. It just has text. These are different images. This down here is a quote, so it's not going to show an image in my photo blog. I could swipe over and just go through all my Tumblr posts. Looks really great on a tablet, I'm sure. This is just on my iPhone and it looks freaking amazing. So I could still check out different posts, different blog entries. Your settings basically have a sync setting. You could set up if you're on Wi-Fi. You could download images for offline use, on demand, include trending for downloading. You could set up your sharing services. You could search for whatever you want. If I want to search for ilovebtv.com, it'll show me the actual RSS feed that was designed with the blog that I have. If you want to organize your sections, you can basically just do the same old thing. Drag up, swipe down, and hit done. You could also hold down your finger on the main icon on the screen, remove it, or reorder. Everything's called editions, so they're like magazine editions, and that's basically that. This is a Tumblr post up here. Disgusting McDonald's pie. So that's that. We're going to give you a quick look at how you do it on the computer and how quick it works after you sync it up down to here.